Hey, Rolling Country Outdoors, Scott here. I am actually working from home today and had a nice little surprise. Can you see that? Driveway is blocked. Had a tree fall. There's a live tree too. So I gotta get down there and clean it. We actually have working people here and they're not gonna be able to get out of the driveway. So let me get set up and we'll get this moved out of the way real quick. Hang tight. All right, we're gonna get this tree moved out of the way real quick. Got a real bad rain last night and high winds today, so that caused this tree to go down. Clear.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, you betcha. Sorry about that.
Bound to happen when you got this scenery.
Oh yeah, great.
I'm from Southern Kentucky, so
Oh, are you? Okay.
yeah, I'm this is right up my alley.
Okay. Yeah.
I love it.
Yep.
That's the downfall is you get bad storms or winds,
Right.
you gotta clean up a lot.
Now I got firewood though.
Yeah, yes sir. Most definitely.
Yeah. We got it picked up enough for them to get out of the driveway. Man, look at this thing. I haven't stepped it off, but it's a big old tree. Came right out of there. That's where I had the trailer the other day too, so I'm glad we got it moved. I'll get the rest of this cut up probably this weekend, and I'll have plenty of firewood to split. Yeah, crazy. But we got it cleared out. It wasn't working. It was Senate, so we had the Senate bug control people here giving us a quote. But yeah, there's two trucks back here. They were stuck, so we got it cut up enough for them to get out, and we'll get the rest of this cut up. So hey, back out here today, gonna try to get this tree cleaned up that fell yesterday and do a couple other things. So we got the branches off the road, you saw that earlier, so we're gonna get the rest of it cut up. I've got the trailer down here, so I get rid of the branches and then take those to the dump, and then I'll cut the rest of it up for firewood. So hang tight and let me get set up for bringing this stuff. I'm bringing the excavator over here and chainsaw out here and get this thing loaded up. So hang tight, let me get set up. It is jobs like this that make this excavator priceless. Makes it so easy. What's a far cry from yesterday? Yesterday the wind was blowing. It was cold. Today it's just cold, no wind though. So I'll take that. We actually had 2 trees come down that we know of. Another one, probably just as this big, fell down. That's down the hill. So we'll eventually get to that one, but this one we wanted to get cleaned up. I think I've already cut this up into firewood length. I think I'm just going to stack it over here, bring my splitter down here and just split it right here. I always have a problem with this oil cap. Not wanting to set back in there, right? You gotta hold your mouth right, you gotta cuss a few times. Anything short of throwing it, I guess. It's always been that way though. I mean, you just gotta get it just right. And have some luck. This is ridiculous. There it is. I mean, just no rhyme or reason. All I can get a hold of there. All right, we are going to call that a success. That excavator makes all the difference in the world. So what I'm using is it's a Steel MS 250C. It's a small saw, but I'll tell you what, it's it's relatively light and it cuts anything I need to cut. I mean, this is a solid 14-15 inches and it cut that no problem. I've got a bigger saw, but there's no reason to bring it out for something like that. So we're gonna get the open trailer emptied into the dump trailer and then load the rest of that stuff up and can run that to the dump real quick before they close. So let's get on that. All right, let's get this loaded up, get it out of here. I got loaded what was on the other open trailer into the dump trailer. For some reason I didn't have my camera on, but anyway, let's get this loaded and out of here. Okay, I think that's going to be a wrap for this. We'll get this taken to the dump, but I got it pretty much cleaned up. Now I just got to split this wood, but we'll do that at some point. It's not a priority right at the moment. a dumping the trailer. So we are good to go. I just have the stumps left. We'll get those split up and stacked up somewhere down here. I'm gonna leave them down here. That way we can use them for the firewood for the barn and camping, because we're always having to go around with the tractor and pick it up. So we'll just split it and leave it here. So I think we're gonna end this video. Thanks for coming along and joining Rolling Country Outdoors. We really do appreciate it. And take the time to hit the like button there for us. Comment down below and subscribe if you're not. Share with your friends and family, and we'd love to get the subscriber count up. So we appreciate your help. Y'all take care. Have a good one, and we'll catch you on the next video.